Hi guys, welcome to TradeView. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like my videos. And if you are a beginner, please watch my old videos and come back to my regular videos. I am posting post-market report and pre-market report for Bank Nifty and Nifty regularly. So please follow my channel and note down the levels and analyze on your own ideologies. Then go for trade. Okay. Don't blindly enter to the market with my levels or anyone levels. Okay. So coming to the point, this is Nifty 50 pre-market analysis for tomorrow Monday. So this is the levels. The important levels are this is the blue line which I have drawn. This zone is the important level. So market maximum trying to recover again for tomorrow. Last Friday, it has to move up, but due to global market, it is unable to move. So it was in the same zone only, like a bearish market, but not down, not break down the previous bearish lows and all, but running in the same zones. Okay, so Monday, tomorrow, it is trying to recover. We'll see what is going to happen. So for long position, these blue levels either from here to it need to go and break these levels, or it is opening above these levels. So anything can happen. If it is opening above or it is opening in the same level and breaking these levels, once a retracement, then go for long. Okay, for the short opportunity, if market open here and trying to the sideways and breaking these levels, okay, after previous day low, then go for short. Okay, after previous day low break, then go for short up to this one. This is strong support 17369. Okay, then you can trial your stop loss. That is better. Okay, so market maximum trying to recover. Hope to be, seems to be. Uh, if not, then this is the level for short positions. Okay, and then you can follow the next support levels, or you can follow the 1 is to 2 risk reward. Okay, so don't enter into the trade without stop loss. Okay, always trade with stop loss and trial your stop loss after 80%. Okay, so that's it. For long position, you can note down this one after this blue line. So around 17,496, around 17,500. Okay, once market taken retracement and breaking to go above, then go for long. And 17,600, this is a strong resistance. Book your position. Market can reverse from here. It will fall down. Okay. So market and analyze on your own methodology and strategies. That is important. So this is for Nifty 50. For Bank Nifty, I have posted already. So check my previous videos. So analyze on both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So whichever you are comfortable, then analyze on the particular chart and trade on it. Okay, but while trading, please follow both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, but for your comfortability, please observe the market for some days with any one, like Nifty 50 or Bank Nifty. Don't confuse with both. You will get difficulties on market. Okay, you don't able to practice with this Nifty or Bank Nifty. So take any one thing. Okay, if you go for Nifty, then go with the Nifty 50. Analyze regularly, whatever the charts and the zones, levels, everything. Then work on it. Then only it will be give more profitable on the trading. Okay, then you can go with other things. Okay, so first work and practice on any one thing. Okay, so that is the important. Okay, that is out of the topic that we can cover on some other days. Okay, so this is for pre-market Nifty 50. Hope tomorrow will be recover from these levels. We'll see tomorrow after the market hours. We can discuss about this. Okay, so if you have any suggestions or feedbacks, let me know on comments. That will be boost up me to upload more videos on interested topics in share markets. Okay. Thank you so much. Good night.